Oyster is a powerful tool that many businesses are considering for managing remote teams, but before you make a purchase, there are some key things you need to know. Whether you're comparing Oyster to other similar platforms or are new to the software, you'll want to stick around for the next few minutes to get the full picture. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Oyster is the right choice for your business. Now, before we dive in, I'll let you know that if you want to give Oyster a try for yourself, you can do so for free by clicking the first link in the description below. It's an exclusive offer that will give you access to a trial to explore the software firsthand. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to know about Oyster is that it's designed to streamline the hiring and management of remote teams, making it ideal for businesses scaling globally. Compared to its competitors like Deal or Remote.com, Oyster shines in its flexibility and ease of use. You can onboard employees from anywhere in the world without worrying about the legal complexities of international hiring. This is something other platforms do, but Oyster makes it seamless, with automatic compliance checks for over 180 countries. Next thing, Oyster offers an all-in-one platform that covers not only hiring but also payroll, benefits, and taxes. This is where it stands out from competitors like Gusto, which may require third-party integrations for some of these services. With Oyster, everything is integrated into one dashboard, simplifying processes and saving you a lot of time and effort. The third thing you should know is that Oyster provides a simple but powerful employee benefits system. While platforms like Deal also offer benefits, Oyster allows you to create custom packages that suit the specific needs of your global team, including health insurance, retirement plans, and even stipends for home office setups. This can make a big difference when attracting top-tier talent from various regions who are looking for flexible, competitive benefits. The fourth thing you need to consider is Oyster's user-friendly interface. It's incredibly intuitive and doesn't require a steep learning curve, even for users who are not tech-savvy. Unlike some other platforms that can feel overwhelming at first, Oyster's simplicity makes onboarding new users quick and easy. If you've ever been frustrated with clunky software, you'll appreciate how straightforward Oyster is to navigate. Next, Oyster is particularly strong when it comes to compliance. With global expansion, understanding different tax regulations and labor laws can be a nightmare. While competitors like Remote.com do offer compliance services, Oyster automates many of these tasks, reducing the risk of costly errors. It's a huge time saver and peace of mind, especially when hiring across multiple countries. The sixth thing worth mentioning is Oyster's pricing. Oyster's transparent pricing structure makes it easy for businesses to understand exactly what they're paying for. When compared to Deal or other services, Oyster offers competitive rates that may be more cost-effective, especially for small and medium-sized businesses looking to grow their teams globally. Finally, one of the best things about Oyster is its customer support. The team behind the software is dedicated to helping you, whether it's a quick question about payroll or an in-depth query about international compliance. Oyster has been known to go above and beyond in offering support, which can be a game changer when dealing with the complexities of global remote work. So, if you're on the fence about Oyster, it's clear that the platform offers a lot of value for businesses looking to scale remotely. From its all-in-one platform to its robust compliance and support, it's a great choice for teams spread across the globe. To sum up, if you want to try Oyster and see all these benefits for yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description below. This will give you access to an exclusive free trial so you can test out everything Oyster has to offer with no commitment. Don't miss out on this opportunity to streamline your remote team management.